Inhlokomo iBafana Bafana idlulela esigabeni esilandelayo kwi-World Cup emva kokubhaxabula iSouth Korea abantu bebuka. UJacinta Mangobese Zuma usekhwele wadilika ey'ntathelini eziriphotha umbhedo nge-March and March ukuze ibukeke kabi. Kanti uSomahlaya owadivosa wazibulala wanqatshwa icebo lethu uza necebo elisha.
SA News with TK Zuma.
Sinibingelele sinamukele endabeni ze-SA News with TK Zuma. Sanibonani. Inhlokomo iBafana Bafana idlulela esigabeni esilandelayo kwi-World Cup emva kokubhaxabula iSouth Korea ngelilodwa kwelingekho abantu bebuka. iBafana Bafana ikwayingeka yabona abafana ayibadlalile ke namhlanje. Ngangishilo kodwa. Ngiyababona nje laba abaloko akade belokhu bepredict ikoyebhedayo bethi sodliwa ngo-2-1 iSouth Korea iyaji asijimi rugby lapha kujinywa insimbi lapha siphethe oTLB udonga leso liqinile kodwa. Yabona into ebenziwa umdawu nelokhuzana noTLB lapha ngemuva. Lalela kudlula kodwa phansi kwendoda nebhola. Yabona ayingeka angingayikhulumi kakhulu iCanada soyibhaqabula ngo-3-0 siyadlula ke manje na ke siya kuma knockout stages and angikwazi nanokuyixoxa leni lalelani iholiday niyazwa iholiday akekho umuntu oyemsebenzini namhlanje akekho esikoleni akekho yandawo iholiday ke namhlanje Sixolise uJacinta Mangobese Zuma usekhwele wadilika ey'ntathelini nakuma-media houses ariphotha umbhedo nge-March and March ukuze ibukeke kabi. uJacinta lokhu ukusho izolo ngesikhathi i-March and March ine-press briefing eGoli. Ngesikhathi ayingeke uyazi kade ngangifisa ukuthi kube khona umuntu ozoyi-addressa lento ey'ntatheli eziriphotha umbhedo eziriphotha bashalazela iy'tori ezinohlonzo iy'tori eziNewsworthy iy'tori zokuthi ama-Nigerians adayisa ama-drugs kuhlezi kubonakala kwisizokuthola kaXolani kwimoja love kuhlezi kubonakala nakuyona i-March and March make yangena ebuilding kwaphuma ama-drugs ongakazi uzowabona elokhuzeni eHowick kungenongizwe ayikho i-media house eyariphotha leyo nto kwathiwa it was empty capsules lezi iy'phaza lezi ezingarejistriwe igcwele yonke abayikhulumi leyo nto balokhu bethi nje what if something go wrong what if abafuni ukuriphotha iy'tori kade kufa iy'ngane zidla ama-chips zigcwele iy'bhedlela ayikho neyodwa i-media house eke yariphotha leyo nto leyo kodwa kulokhu kuthiwa nje i-March and March xenophobic is it too much to ask these people are here illegally.
Paint the full picture. Please, we're not saying paint us as angels. We don't care what you call us. But paint the full picture. Go and tell those stories of South Africans who have been run out of the tuck shop business because Pakistanis and Somalians have told them they can't open tuck shops in their own country. Tell those stories of South African children who can't find spaces in schools. Tell those stories of women who are South African giving birth on the floor because they don't have space, because Zimbabwe has terrible healthcare, and therefore everyone who wants to give birth comes to South Africa.
Yeah.
We want you guys to tell the full story. Don't tell a one-sided story. You are the ones that are going to cause a fight when there's no fight. Because someone who's in the country illegally shouldn't even be protected. They must know, I'm in the country illegally, therefore I must go. Why is it so painful to tell someone who's in the country illegally they must go?
uSomahlaya wakuleli owazibulala emva kwedivorce wanqatshwa icebo lethu uza necebo elisha nantu udaba.
Sanibonani igama lami uJustice Kubheka uSomahlaya owayeshade serious lento ozogcina ubhala iskip ukuthi uJustice Kabani ngoba futhi emhlabeni anyway I'm in a process of a divorce. It's a sad situation. It's not a nice thing. I don't promote or condone divorce. Now ngalimala ngaphatheka kabuhlungu ngaba depressed ngihamba counseling ingaze ngayibulala ngangcwatshwa icebo lethu nje kwakumngcwabo omuhle so sengadlula nje kuyona yonke into ebuhlungu bayile divorce. So right now I'm promoting this show Justice Kubheka comedy show guys, so please come through. I'll be handing out some flyer. I have 5,000 flyers. Fanele ngiwakhiphe around Maritzburg. Please buy tickets. Asekhombe tickets eShoprite eCheckers awu-200 rand. Abakubuza ukuthi uyeza noma uzi. Ngisho malithenga ungezi uvumelekile. Une right yokulithenga ilungelo lakho lelo.